Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Group 2A, and we'll present to you a case study entitled Pathogen Caused by Enterobacteriaceae. A microbiology case study is a 38-year-old with intermittent straight catheterization. A 38-year-old man with history of secondary progressive multiple sclerosis complicated by neurogenic bladder requiring intermittent straight catheterization presented with fevers, chills, and weakness. Clinical evaluation revealed hypotension and leukocytosis concerning for sepsis. His urinalysis was positive for 3 plus and 1 plus leukocyte esterase and nitrites. Urine was sent to our laboratory for culture and grew bacteria with the below gram stain and colony morphology.
So, for the chief complaints of the patient has a history of secondary progressive multiple sclerosis complicated by neurogenic bladder requiring intermittent straight catheterization presented with fevers, chills, and weaknesses. And for the laboratory findings, Klebsiella and Rutella both are gram-negative bacilli that form lactose-fermenting yellow mucoid bacterial colonies. The bacterial colonies appear mucoid because of the bacteria's polysaccharide capsule. Distinguishing these two types of bacteria requires molecular analysis as their morphology can be identical. In the initial identification process, only one type of bacteria was detected on the urine culture. Given the gram stain, the colony morphology, the differential included Klebsiella, Enterobacter, and Rutella. The bacteria was verified as Rutella species during mass spectrometry. However, the laboratory also received 2 sets of blood culture, which show the same morphology as above. Later on the picture will be shown, but the bacteria was identified as Klebsiella oxytoca. This prompted a review of the urine culture in which a subtle second bacterial colony morphology was seen and confirmed as Klebsiella oxytoca. So upon examination, laboratory identified and confirmed that the bacteria that was being cultured is Klebsiella oxytoca.
For the result, the samples was subjected to different testing. First is the gram stain. In the picture, the gram stain shows the gram-negative bacilli, and it is also subjected to different culture media. First is the sheep blood agar was used. On the second picture, it shows that there is a growing non-hemolytic gray-yellow mucoid bacterial colonies, and K. oxytoca can be seen microscopically as circular, dome-shaped, mucoid, translucent, or opaque, grayish-white colonies. And on the third picture, Makonki agar was used. It shows that the growing mucoid lactose-fermenting pink bacterial colonies for about 2 to 3 millimeters in diameter. And the bacterial colonies appeared mucoid because of the bacteria's polysaccharide capsule. And it can be seen in Makonki agar microscopically as circular, convex, mucoid, pink to red opaque colonies.
And for the diagnosis, the patient was diagnosed with a urinary tract infection caused by Rutella and Klebsiella, which was the source of the patient's sepsis. Only the Klebsiella was detected in his bloodstream. So Rutella and Klebsiella are both gram-negative, oxidase-negative, non-motile, capsulated, facultative and aerobic bacilli within the Enterobacteriaceae family. Rutella was initially classified within the Klebsiella genus, but reclassified based on comparative analysis of the 16S rRNA gene and RPOB gene, which encodes the beta subunit of bacterial RNA polymerase. Members of the Rotella genus include R. electrica, R. terrigena, and R. planticola, and also R. ornithinolytica are found in the environment, specifically in plants, soil, and water. Rotella species are rare in human disease but have been documented to cause bacteremia, urinary tract infection, and conjunctivitis and cholecystitis. So Klebsiella causes human disease much more frequently than Rotella. Klebsiella are part of human oropharynx and gastrointestinal flora that acts as opportunistic pathogens. Mode of transmission may occur endogenously or through person-to-person spread. Hence, nosocomial infections are common. K. oxytoca and K. pneumoniae are the most frequently implicated species in human disease and may cause a wide spectrum of infections such as urinary tract infections, respiratory infections, enteritis, meningitis, and bacteremia. So for the patient, it was reported antibiotic sensitivities that were susceptible to both types of bacteria. The patient was treated with ceftriaxone and the transition to cefpodoxime with resolution of his urosepsis. In general, Rotella's susceptibility to antimicrobial agents are not well studied and should be based on the antibiotic sensitivities of each strain. In contrast, Klebsiella is well documented to have increasing antimicrobial resistance. Most clinical strains are resistant to ampicillin, carbapenem, and tiraxylin, as well as extended spectrum beta-lactam drugs. Resistance to beta-lactam drugs is the result of Klebsiella bacteria that harbor plasmids which produce beta-lactamase enzymes.
So that's all and thank you.